step by step how to achieve this style. Yes, life in Naija. Mona no dey in a hurry. I thank God say I don't do my hair finish. Say flood not come carry me come out for that place. The flood we just call the flood everywhere for Naija now, for Lagos. So I want Mona enjoy this video. This one, na me for Naija. So this particular style, before I can't see this girl we do this style, they suffer why I suffer. The cabman even throw me for road to say that road not good. We don already pay. The cabman say no go carry car enter that street. I no get choice because I write am for Google. All the way from Ikeja, now I take on this location. I no mind. So the girl na professional. That day, nepaaaooo come say they go fit spoil our joy. They don't know say my phone, Samsung lights, touch wey dey inside my phone, e even pass nepaaaooo. I tell them say make they not worry as they try their best to on the generator. The generator go on, it go off, it go on, it go off. Now I tell them say Mona no worry. Now the hairstyle me need, me I don't need Jane. Since the light where the girl needs, I have it on my phone. Now so this girl salon, oh, I go write the name of the salon and her Instagram. This girl na professional. As I reach Lagos after I felt do the hair where I do, my husband said that type of hair where I do, I make sure say I go lose that okuku come off for head. That Africa hair where I felt do. My husband they like all this type of weaving, canal weaving, all this weaving, boss braid. Me, I don't like her. What will I do? Now they tell some women, the waiting and know so my husband like Mona they do one. Eh? Make peace for rain. I know they hear what some of them they hear what. Some of them they hear what. So Mona focus on her eye. Mona just focus on her eyes. Mona go learn one or two things. So because opportunity in my phone, that will cut the get the light. Oh, we are over so you don't see where I talk reach for video every time music. No, today I go talk. Not be every time music. Abba. I know say some of you go say my voice not sweet, but Mona manager. Mona the city where this get that one. This weaving, you know, see, you fake create that line. On the see, and she go get that gel for hand. That gel, in fact, I even take the gel picture. I buy the gel. I saw for sit down. I said I must do this because the journey, the way before driver carry us reach there, money we will pay. You reach about less than 40,000 naira. Now the cab matic drop us there. I don't want to say they go back. We can't even pay more. Because they come dark. My people, this hair, why I do so? My husband don't tell me, say, man, just do only this type of hair. I don't know. Comment section. Mona advise me because now wig na me be like to the wear. Wig. And also those wig, if you just do cornrow, just put wig for head deco. Now maybe you like. But my husband not this type of hair. Now he like. I don't know the one will fit me pass, in fact. Even though say that wig not fit me pass, what say I could do? Hey, I don't get choice. So yes, we go share them. Sometimes wig, sometimes weaving. Sometimes the reason I even call even like this weaving. This weaving, it is very easy. Once you just remove your net for your head, you don't work out. See as the weaving, they very neat. This girl na champion. I like people who get handworking. If you not go school, at least all these people will get this handwork. Almost all of them, they be graduates. They be graduates. Almost all of them, they can't discover, say, the school certificate where they carry, they don't see work. Some of them say they see work, they say the money, no, it's not sufficient. That is the reason they just focus on another work, another handwork. Una dey see am. Una dey see am. Una dey see the way it dey take am. Take am. Then you go come weave am. Some people, their hands are blessed. In case you dey watch me for the first time, my name is Deg Beauty. That my name I too like and sha. Deg Beauty International. You get one man we go call me, go say, Deg International. I say, thank you, sir. Deg in. He go talk am 3 times. Deg International. Deg International. That my prophecy don't come to pass. So I don't want show now the location where I go. The work where I do this period. If I can't show many things for Facebook, I never show plenty things for Facebook. My DM don't full. International people where I go meet, where I go do their makeup. I'm not worry. Small I go the release there. I want me everywhere feel calm. Nothing like everywhere go calm. So people will go to my DM though, they say, hey, madam, help me with this, help me with money. They don't know say madam on the rest. That's why they find the money they go. You can find the money by yourself, but some of them, if they advise on now, or not they listen. Not they listen. How you can't expect you not be say you disabled? My person called they give you money. Who go give you money? Lie yo. Lie. So work hard. If plan A no work, open plan B. My tell you the reason I like my name, Deg International. You know, say na DEG na be Deg. In case now they watch me for the first time, na 3 pages I get to. The other main page where everybody take know me for Deg Beauty. And that one I be Deg Beauty. So for this particular video, I go upload them for Deg Beauty Family. Una they understand Deg Beauty Family. But for people who like aproko, Muna go they watch me aproko just for Deg Beauty Life News. That Deg Beauty Life News, no be so more tori they there. If you know say, you don't want yet tori, the real one or the fake one or anything person say for public domain, person go carry, not be my fault. Now also, I hope now they learn 1 or 2 things from this hair. They come dark generator no work. Now my phone will come to use opportunity will just come to record down. Later, nepa come see bring light. If I say later the gen can't work, will come see enter inside the salon. Una dey see from of una always say I don't know how to do this here. As me don't watch this here, so if I want to do one, I can do it. I go fit do one because una say she fit apply the gel. Then she brush it, make sure she brush it. Then she cut everything, take everything line by line, small by small. So before she go start the weaving, one they focus on her eye handwork, they pay. Deg. I want to tell una my carona go again. The meaning of Deg. Deg na the name of my children, David Emmanuel Gabriel. Una see the reason I like my name. I like my name. The name wey my papa and mama give me, don't be me con the be again. I prefer than Deg. Anywhere I go, they'll say, how do you want us to introduce you? How do you want to be addressed? I just tell them I prefer Deg, please. Because that's the name of my children. Let be that. David Emmanuel Gabriel. That is the reason I like him. Deg baby, what's up? I know say all my content, not be all of them, not be all of them I go like, but that is life. I don't feel just satisfy you every time now. I'm a human. The one way you not see like your waka pass. Other person could see like, and that is life. Una they understand. Una they take it easy with content creator. Now also everybody they also. Now also we do. Now also we do. Now also. When don't just go to comment section go they insult people like that. It's not good. It's not good. When they check that girl finger, the way it did, the way she did the cutter. They see. So this video, the way they see this video, let's say this video won't finish for you, but the parts why I like wanna watch for this hair tutorial. In case you're not in a rush, I'll try tomorrow or just come to check. I'll upload the final because I don't want to add that to this video. This one not too long. The way this girl continue use fire, continue. This said don't almost 3 weeks now for my head. It still look new. I want to learn. I don't want to put everything for this video. So the continuation of this video, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna come watch out. If you be person way get sense so. Not forget to drop on a comment. I want to see your comment and tell me where you are watching me from. So the continuation of this hair video, I could write the name in case you did live for